Hi everyone, this is Amy checking in. How's it going? I'm actually on my next adventure. It was a last minute adventure. I thought I'd fit in a workout. I'm actually up here at Grouse Mountain on December 30th on a Sunday. Just a heads up, huge lineups at the tram, so I can take the tram up to come up here to do the Snowshoe Grind and the Thunderbird Ridge. So I hiked up the BCMC, and then after that came out here. Right now I'm up on Thunderbird Ridge, as you can see in the background. I'm gonna talk about this trail stats on here. It's about 6 kilometers round trip with an elevation gain of 190 meters starting from the chalet. Okay, the highest point from sea level is about 1,255 meters. Okay, it is classified as easy to moderate of a snowshoe hike. It's quite nice. Average time probably like about an hour and a half to 3 hours, depending how much you stay up here for. Yeah, so you would have to do the snowshoe grind first, hit up the Dam Mountain at the top of Dam Mountain, and then do the Dam Mountain loop and hit a junction, and you will go to the Thunderbird Ridge. As you can see, such a nice beautiful day up here, nice sunny up here. Actually down at the bottom was a little bit cloudy, and it's so nice to be up here in the nice sunshine. Anyways, hope you guys like my adventures, and if you guys like my YouTube video, please subscribe, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Peace out.